Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Sunday, September 26th. You caught me doing a little cleanup in between sweet potato harvests. Well, I hope you're not disappointed. I don't think we're going to be digging anything today. You know, I was asked again what kind of fertilizer we use. Fertilizer is a chemical compound that you put on to feed the plants. I don't use any fertilizer. I don't feed the plants. It took me a while to get my head wrapped around it. I'm feeding the life in the soil by adding the deep mulch and using compost. The life in the soil feeds the plants. The life in the soil with the heavy mulch down around these tomatoes. That's what's keeping them producing well into September. I haven't added one drop of fertilizer. The way I've got this garden set up, I couldn't till if I wanted to till. And I don't want to till. That's what this no-till, deep mulch, weed-free garden method's all about. Use whatever organic matter you can get your hands on. Wood chips are great, leaves are great, grass is great, hay, straw, garden scraps. Make a compost pile, add the compost to it. It's all mixed together. Lay it 4 inches or thicker. I like to lay it thicker. You'd be surprised just how fast the life in the soil breaks this down. Remember, in the deep mulch you want it at least 4 inches thick. Where we have the corn, the leaves, and the wood chips, we've got this at least a good foot thick. I like to put it in that deep because it will break down. There's a lot of life that's going to start working on that immediately. You were here when I laid this grass in. I opened it up, we planted seeds, the seeds are coming up. Now I'm setting in the straw for the cold frame. The way I've got this garden set up, I couldn't till if I wanted to till. And I don't want to till. That's what this no-till, deep mulch, weed-free garden method's all about. Right here's a prime example. We're down to bare soil. We got leaves off to the side. The ground does not like to be uncovered. Mother Nature will bring in seeds and cover it up every time. So definitely keep the mulch, keep it covered. It helps regulate the temperature. It helps retain the moisture, and it feeds the life in the soil that feeds your plants. That's why we do it. And that's why I push that wheelbarrow around. That organic matter feeds the life in the soil. The life in the soil feeds the plants. All the way up there. And those plants feed me. I do want to thank you for stopping by on this Sunday. I'm going to run in and have a little lunch, then I'm going to move some more mulch. Well, feed me, then I'm going to feed the soil. These are beautiful. After lunch, I'm going to put a rake in your hand. You can help me rake up some leaves. How's that? And I do want to thank you for stopping by. And remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.